kay Ching Ching, maging masipag, at maging masipag pa. Happy birthday, Nak. I love you.
I'm never coming down. I thought it was a vision in the stars, but I'm right where
I've watched you grow up for 18 years, and I know you're going to do great things. Even when we don't wear matching outfits anymore, I'll still be here for you, always.
my universe is glowing. Oh, you got my heartbeat overflowing.
Lagi mong ipagpipray yung mga decisions mo and lagi kang bigyan ng wisdom ng Diyos. Ayun lang. Galingan mo lagi, especially na magka-college ka na. You know the rest. I love you. Happy birthday.
Hi, Jazz. Happy 18th birthday. Welcome to the adulthood. May your dreams full of love and growth. Enjoy your day and wish all the best.
Rocket to the moon. I shoot into
Di ka man nagkaroon ng biological na ate at hindi man ako nagkaroon ng kababatang kapatid. But I thank God may Jasmine ako sa buhay ko. Like, at galingan mo lang lagi sa paglilingkod kasi gaya ng Kuya Jet mo. Kasi he found joy in serving the Lord.
Your kuya may not be here, especially physically, but I truly believe he's in God's presence now, watching over you, smiling and so proud of you every single day.
my universe is glowing. Oh, you got my heartbeat.
Kung may mga activity ka sa church, sige, okay, go. Pero, huwag mong pababaya yung schooling mo. Love you! Thank you. Happy birthday! No drama. Wala nang mahabang salita. Basta keep it up, nak. Love you, nak.
Seeing you shine tonight makes me so emotional. Kasi alam ko lahat ng pinagdaanan mo to get here. Always remember na no matter how much things change, I'm always in your corner.
Never forget na you're deeply loved not only by the people around you but also by God, who has amazing plans for your
Thank you, guys, for making this night magical and unforgettable. I will treasure this moment forever. I love you so much, guys.